Hello everyone. In order to understand the ladder diagram of AND gate, let us try to understand how does an AND gate operate. So this is the logical symbol of a two-input AND gate, and it can be realized by considering a simple example where two switches A and B is connected to the light load in this particular fashion. In this case, both A and B is open circuited and they correspond to a digital state of 0 and no current flows through the load. Now when A is energized, it corresponds to a state 1 and B is still at 0. Consequently, there will be no current flowing through the light load and the lamp does not glow because B is still open circuited. Now when A is still open circuited and B is energized, A corresponds to 0 and B corresponds to 1. There will still be no current flowing through the light load because A is actually acting as open circuit. Final case, when both A and B is turned on, that it corresponds to a logical state of 1 and 1. Consequently, current starts flowing through the light load and the light glows in this particular fashion. So how do we arrive at the truth table for these conditions? So when both inputs A and B are 0, consequently the output will be 0 because the light does not glow. And if any of the inputs is 0, consequently the output will be equal to 0. Only when A and B, which is equal to 1 in this case, the output will be high because the light load glows. So this is very simple to understand how does an AND gate operate. But how do we draw the ladder diagram for these type of circuits? It's very simple. Ladder diagram looks like this. Sounds confusing, right? But it's very simple, guys. Over here, if you carefully observe, these type of contacts are called as normally open contacts. Only when the push button is pressed, consequently it gets energized and it acts as a short circuit, just like the way we saw the switches. So how do we understand and analyze them? In this case, I'm not pressing any of the push button switches over here. Consequently, the light does not glow and the output corresponding to it is in zero. Now when I am energizing one of the inputs, that is B in this case, by pressing the push button, consequently B is energized and acts as short circuit, but A is still open. As a result, the light does not glow. Third case, when I'm energizing A, the coil A is actually energized, but the circuit is still in open condition because B is acting as open circuit and the light does not glow over here as well. Now when I press both the push buttons simultaneously, A and B, consequently what happens? Both A and B coils are energized and current starts flowing through the load and the light glows in this particular fashion. So this concludes the lecture on how to draw a ladder diagram using AND gate. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out by typing in the questions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you guys in another video. Keep supporting. Thank you.